Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you the 5 different ways that you can wear the Chanel mini belt bag. And I also let you know, is this worth it or is it not? Dun dun! This is the beautiful box that it came in. Now for storage, my SA gave me a larger pouch. They usually come smaller. But look at this. This is just, I love the fact that I got something larger to store her. And this is my little beautiful new baby. Oh, look how beautiful she is. This is in the nude caviar with the gold hardware. Now, they usually come with different slots in between, but I actually got one that's larger so that I can store more things in. I can do 4 different cards. I can do my car keys, and I can put a couple bobby pins and a hair tie in here, and it fits perfectly, and it is just so adorable and so cute with the chain. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at how that hangs. Now, the first way that you can wear this is called the cross-body sling bag. And I love this because it goes right over your shoulder, right in your chest area. It's really perfect for on the go. You're seeing it all over New York right now, in both women and in men. It's accessible when you're going into the store. You can take your cards out, go ahead and pay for things and put it right back, and it's super stylish for on the go. The next way that you can wear this is over the shoulder. Now we're seeing this trend all over the runway. We're seeing with Prada, Saint Laurent, and it looks beautiful placed right on the shoulder. It's a perfect 90s trend that is coming back. And what I love about this little bag is that you can adjust it just as you like, and it's perfect for on the go and being out and about, and it sits perfectly right on your shoulder. The next way that you can wear this is right in its name, the belt bag. Now, I love this trend because of the fact that not only can it be worn with jeans and with shorts, but also with dresses and with skirts, perfect for spring and summer. Now, you can do it so it just right at your waist, or you can let it hang and it looks beautiful. There's even some adjusters that you can put on there to make it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter, depending on where you want it to sit on your waist. But let me tell you, the belt bag is definitely in. Another fun way that you can wear this is as a ring bag or as a bracelet bag. Now, because of the chain, all you have to do is just wrap it around a couple of times and get it just to the way that you desire that it would best look. And what I do is I just tie it like this, just around my ring, and then it's instantly a ring bag. I can also tie it one more time and it becomes a bracelet. And I love the way that I can see the charm just hanging so beautifully there. And then I can see the chain, and look how beautiful that is. So cute. The next way that you can wear this is not only just on yourself, but as a charm. So I actually put it on my Chanel bag, and look at the way that it hangs. It's absolutely adorable. It's a little charm. Instead of going out and buying those expensive charms, you can just use this, and it doubles as also as a wallet. So I can put my cards in there, stick it right back in, put it away, and then I can bring it right back out. Now you can adjust the chain as you'd like. You can bring it up higher, you can bring it up lower, but it just becomes an instant little charm. Now, this mini bag currently retails for $1,650. So is it really worth it? And my answer is yes, of course. Now, even though it is $1,650, I love the fact that you can wear it in so many different ways. And depending on your style, you can customize it just as you'd like. Now, that was the reason that I got this beige nude color, was because it goes with everything. I love the fact that I can fit literally my whole life in here, and it's perfect for on the go when you're traveling. You can make it really stylish. You can make it for the night. You can make it for daytime, and it just is a bag that stands out perfectly. Now, I hope that you guys jump onto this trend and get a little mini bag. I love you guys so much for watching. Mwah!